Put it coming her to me. Lately we've been bumping, fooling her with my ruler, asking can we do something. Shooting my thing through shooting, while screwing her, screaming slowly. One coolest maneuvers, fallopian tubes touch me. Cold sexual maneuvers, Joe's at my door. Screwing her tummy. Me, screwing her tummy. Let me a major minor smile. Wow, do her. We're not here to abuse her. I'm here to screw her. Tell me I'm the pretty mommy. Strip off your key. Nakedly. Screwing her tummy. Me. Screwing her tummy. She said please use condoms, because I'm not in her tummy. Pushing around in her stomach, till so drunk she wants to fuck me. Rushing to screw her, good feeling so good. She feels like sucking cream. Feels like sucking cream. Cream. Feels like sucking cream. Uprooted with my one-man gangbang. Her puno just sang a cream. We ass a jet into her. Peru's best and sexo. Marks get set and screw her. Hungry monkey dumpling. I'll eat it up and shoot some. Screwing her tummy. Me. Screwing her tummy. We got time.